Looking to speed up the construction of your home extension? Here are 5 innovative structural systems that can help you build faster and more efficiently. Insulated Concrete Form, ICF, offers ultra-fast build and airtightness, with the framework and pour for a single-story extension being completed in 3 to 4 days. This method provides a strong and well-insulated structure ready to be finished inside and out. SIPs, structurally insulated panels. SIPs consist of a rigid EPS insulation core sandwiched between 2 sheets of wood, usually oriented strand board, OSB. These panels are assembled on site, reducing build times and ensuring watertight construction. Thin joint blockwork. Utilizing a special quick-set adhesive, thin joint blockwork allows builders to continue the block layer up to the full wall height in a single day, ensuring a speedier build with better thermal performance. Timber frame. Pre-cut timber frames delivered to the site can significantly reduce construction time compared to traditional masonry builds. Timber frames are assembled quickly and allow for concurrent internal work to progress. Modular builds. Modular timber frame systems offer pre-insulated walls and roof panels, pre-installed windows, plumbing, and electrics, resulting in reduced labor costs and uniform quality of construction. For more information on how these structural systems can benefit your home extension project, contact us today.